Will I get a refund if I cancel gap insurance? If you are thinking about canceling your gap insurance, you might be asking yourself, will I get a refund if I cancel gap insurance? Let's break this down so you can understand your options clearly. First, what is gap insurance? Gap insurance is designed to cover the difference between what you owe on your car loan and what your car is worth if it gets totaled or stolen. This is especially important if you owe more than the current value of your car. Now, can you get a refund for canceling gap insurance? The answer is usually yes, but it depends on how you paid for the policy and when you decide to cancel. If you paid for your gap insurance upfront, you can typically expect a refund for the unused portion of your coverage. The refund amount is calculated based on how many months are left on your policy. For instance, if you paid $600 for 36 months and cancel after 12 months, you might receive a refund for the remaining 24 months, minus any fees or administrative costs. On the other hand, if you pay for gap insurance monthly as part of your car insurance policy, the refund may be much smaller. In some cases, you might just see a credit applied to your next bill. Some insurance providers may not offer any refund at all for monthly payments, so it is essential to check with your provider. When can you cancel and still get a refund? You can cancel your gap insurance and request a refund in several situations. For example, if you pay off your car loan early, sell or trade in your car, or switch to a different gap insurance provider, you can typically cancel and seek a refund. To request a refund, simply contact your gap insurance provider, whether it is your car insurance company or the dealership where you purchased the policy. Ask about their cancellation process and how much of a refund you can expect. It is a good idea to have another gap policy in place before canceling your current one if you still need coverage. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind. Always compare gap insurance costs between your car insurance company and the dealership. Sometimes, adding gap coverage to your car insurance policy can be more affordable. If you owe less on your car loan than what your car is worth, you may no longer need gap insurance. Lastly, keep records of your cancellation request and any refunds you receive. If you are thinking about transferring gap insurance policies, you can cancel your current gap insurance and may be eligible for a refund on the unused portion. Always confirm your coverage with the new provider before canceling your old policy. In summary, you can usually get a refund if you cancel gap insurance early, especially if you paid upfront. The exact amount will depend on your provider and how you paid for the policy. Always check with your insurer or dealership for the details specific to your situation.